trade is very important for China and for ASEAN. And currently, China and ASEAN are each other's largest trading partner, with trade volume soaring 100 times from 30 years ago. And two-way direct investment has also exceeded $300 billion. So, in your knowledge, what does close trade relationship mean for ASEAN-China partnership, and how does that possibly cement political security cooperation and dialogue?
Yes, you are very correct. In the past 10 years, I think the trade flows between ASEAN and China has doubled. And as you mentioned, I think since 2020, both from ASEAN side, China become the largest trading partners of ASEAN. Likewise, from China side, ASEAN as a group become the largest trading partner of China. This means that over the decades, the relationship, especially in terms of the trade between ASEAN and China, has been beneficial for both sides. And we have to, going forward, we have to make sure that these beneficial trade relations continue to bring prosperity both to people of ASEAN as well as to China, so that all parties benefit from this relationship. The closer and trading relationship between China and ASEAN, of course, have a significant impact in terms of bringing closer and strengthening the foundation for a closer political and security cooperation. And that also means that the shared interest of China and ASEAN is more and more becoming interconnected. We are both share the common interest of creating prosperity for both of our peoples. At the same time, this prosperity can only be realized if we have a peaceful and stable relationship, as well as a peaceful and stable region. We are looking at an arrangement, RCEP, which will bring a greater prosperity to our region, not only for ASEAN and China, but also for the other participants of the RCEP. More importantly, also that the RCEP reflects the commitment of its members to strengthen multilateralism, to strengthen inclusive arrangement, and to bring greater prosperity. The RCEP is not an exclusive arrangement. As you know, after coming into force, 18 months after that, the RCEP will be open for other countries to join. And I think given in the past few years, we have seen the difficult challenges, greater challenges in the trade relation among many important global players. We have seen the difficulties of making progress in the multilateral forum. I think the RCEP give a strong signal of the commitment of its members to continue strengthening the multilateral trade system, which is also open and inclusive.
The Communist Party of China will convene its 20th National Congress in Beijing this year. What are the ASEAN expectations for this meeting, and how do you look at the potential impact of that meeting on ASEAN Political Security Community?
Well, the Communist Party of China has been successful in the past decades to bring prosperity to the people of China, to lift hundreds of millions of people from poverty. And going forward, I wish continuing success of the Communist Party of China in realizing the aspiration of the Chinese people for a better life. And I'm sure that we all also agree that the prosperity of China will also have a big impact in the prosperity of the greater region, as well as for the global community.